In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not working. First, we need to check if Gmail is down. Start by opening the Google Workspace Status dashboard. You can easily find this by searching for it in your browser. The status dashboard will give you a clear view of all Google services. Look specifically for Gmail in the list. Check whether it shows any outages or issues. This step is crucial because if Gmail is down, there is nothing wrong with your device or connection. You will simply need to wait until Google resolves the outage. This can save you time and frustration, as you won't waste efforts trying to fix something that isn't your fault. Next, let's check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. You can do this by looking at the Wi-Fi icon on your device. Once confirmed, open your web browser. This is where we will test your internet speed. Type in speedtest.com into the address bar and hit enter. This website will measure your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow or unstable, it can affect how Gmail operates. Having a stable internet connection is essential as it ensures that your emails sync properly and loads quickly. Now, let's restart your device. This simple step can often resolve many issues. Whether you are using a computer, tablet, or smartphone, turning it off and then back on can clear temporary glitches. After restarting, reopen your browser and check if Gmail is working. This step is effective because it refreshes your device's system and clears any minor errors that might be causing problems. If Gmail is still not working, try using a different browser. You can switch to incognito mode or open another browser like Firefox. Sometimes browser-specific issues can interfere with Gmail. Opening in incognito mode also disables extensions that may be causing conflicts. This little step can help you determine if the browser is the issue. If Gmail works in a different browser, then you may need to troubleshoot your main browser further. Next, we need to update your web browser. An outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues with Gmail. To do this, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on them to access the menu. From there, go to Settings. This will bring you to the main settings page where you can manage updates. Keeping your browser up to date is important because it ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Now, tap on Privacy and Security within the settings. This section is crucial as it controls how your browser interacts with websites like Gmail. Here, you will find options to manage your data. It is important to clear your browser's cache and cookies regularly. These stored files can accumulate over time and cause issues with loading websites. Clearing them can help resolve any lingering problems, ensuring that you have a smooth experience when accessing Gmail. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issues you are experiencing with Gmail. If all else fails, consider checking Gmail's Help Center or contacting support for further assistance. Remember, troubleshooting can take time, but each step gets you closer to a solution. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your Gmail working again.